guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. I usually do makeup reviews, first impressions, makeup tutorials, life advice, and similar things. So if you're up for that, hit the button to subscribe. Alright, this video, first impressions review of a brand new Mina goodies. I got quite a few things actually in here, but the most I'm excited about is a brand new foundation that we have. Tinted moisturizer, how it's called? Moisturizer spf30. Sorry, it's not foundation. Tinted moisturizer. Here we go. So I am super excited about this. As I mentioned, I got a few things in here. So I got the Mina 503 lippy. Actually reviewed exactly the same one in my previous Mina review video. Got a 310 blush definition mascara. These two tinted moisturizers. So I got the color 606 and 613. I think 613 will be my shade. So I think without any further ado, let's see what we have. As you can see, I started doing my eyes. So it's perfect time to try this definition mascara. It's brand new to me. Haven't tried this mascara yet. Just see a brush. Ooh, I love a good silicone brush, you guys. Very excited. Let's go. Ooh, okay. This is promising. I love the short bristles on, and then it's the longer bristles. Hope you guys see. Love how it catches all the little lashes. Okay, I'm very impressed. Wow, that's just one layer. That's impressive, no? You guys, this mascara looks amazing, don't you think? Just applied this Blur Stick by Revolution Pro primer. Just a tiny bit, we can do a bit more. Just to blur with my pores, especially around the nose, because it's the biggest. Okay, you guys, ready? So I have two shades, 606 and 613. So the Tinted Moisturizer SPF30, which is perfect because the weather is warming up and we have no sun. Oh, I love the packaging. That looks nice. We have a pump. Maybe I don't know how it looks. Oh, we bought a pump. See? I told you it's the first impressions that I literally had no clue. Oh, it is a pump. Let's see. I think this should be a right shade. And the looks. It actually should be perfect. So 613. Let's just check 606. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be too light. I can see. Oh yeah, it's definitely too light. No point even checking. Oh, I love the message. Look at the opening. I'm gonna use the Beauty Flathead Foundation brush. See, I'm not sure if I should use a fingers or brush. Oh, it's actually quite thick. Nice, my brush is smelling nice after washing. Smell. I use like a special shampoo for brushes to wash, and it smells of vanilla. So my brush is smelling so nice. I thought it's a foundation, but it's not. I actually like the way it looks. Looks very natural, like kind of very glowy, very natural. Almost like I'm not wearing any foundation at all. It gives a kind of natural look, like a glowy look. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of a cream contour. I'm gonna use the Revolution, the Conceal and Define in C1, C12, and then the Sierra Julie blush. And then I'm gonna use setting powder, and then we can try the blush. But the foundation, you guys, hope you guys can see. It looks very natural, like, you guys see it? It's like skin, you know? Like you can't tell I'm wearing foundation. Do you guys see this? Thumbs up so far. Alright, so off camera I use the setting powder and a little bit of a powder contour just to add a bit definition to my face. So far this tinted moisturizer, you guys, it literally feels like a face cream, like a second skin. It's very dewy, so if you're not up for that, it might not be for you. Like I have oily skin, so I'm a bit of a, you know, like I'm not sure if I like it or I don't really like it just because it's extremely dewy. It doesn't say it's dewy, it says the tinted moisturizer spf30. Does it say on the packaging anything about dewy? Lightweight foundation with sun protection. This is what they say. So they say tinted moisturizer, but then they say it's a lightweight foundation sun protection. It is a bit like foundation because it's tinted, like it gave me coverage. It definitely gives coverage, but it's very dewy and it feels literally like I'm not wearing foundation. It's weird, like, because now I added a bit, you know, contour and setting powder and so on, so it looks more makeup-y, but without, as you seen just a second ago, it looked literally just like a face cream being applied on the skin, but yet my skin looked like super flawless. Alright, let's check this blush by Mina. It's brand new blush for me as well. Little message. Brand new, haven't opened, haven't checked, have no idea if it's good or not. Gonna be using blush brush by Beauty. It looks a little bit stained from other products. I've been using it a lot and I'm using it, that's why. Okay, let's check this. Ooh, pretty color. Might be a bit too light for me, we'll see. Love it. I like this. Okay, let me quickly apply the highlighter and then we can do the lippy. Highlight is on. Let's check the last item we have in this little package that I have from Mina. Ooh. The 503 longwear lipstick. Now this is a brand new one, so I'm not gonna open, as I just did a video where I reviewed a whole 503 collection and I have an open one, so this one can go in a giveaway, like that brand new one. I mean, because I am very overdue a giveaway. Would you guys love a giveaway? Because I have so many, you know, products that a brand sent to me which are brand new, never opened or anything. So if you would like a giveaway, leave a comment down below, let me know, and let me know if I should do smaller giveaways that would include, I don't know, like 8 products or something, or one massive giveaway. Right, the 503 longwear lippy. I tried this already in my previous video, so it's not new. Also the automatic lip pencil. A lot of little messages we include in the packaging. So I tried this already. I wore it before. I have different shades in this longwear lippy and they all definitely longwear lippies, like literally it lasts all day long. Not exaggerating, especially if you in a country that still needs to wear masks and you love wearing lippy. It's not gonna stuck on your mask, it's not gonna smudge, nothing. Perfect, like. And the shade is so universal, you know. Let's do the lipstick. 503 longwear lipstick. Lip is on. It glides on as an oil, but then it dries matte, but it doesn't dry lips. It's like super longwear. Definitely love this lipstick. Love the shade. What do you guys think of the shade? Yeah, so this tinted moisturizer spf30 by Mina, as we say on the packaging, lightweight foundation with sun protection. It is kind of like a moisturizer, yet it is a foundation because it does have a coverage. It's not full-on coverage, so if you someone like me who likes a bit more coverage on that, although it did cover it a lot, like it looks good, I think. I hope you guys see my skin properly. It did cover it good, but it is extremely super lightweight. Like they don't lie on the packaging, but they say it's super lightweight. It feels like your ordinary moisturizer, yet it has coverage, if that makes any sense. So I think this is perfect for summertime if you like to wear foundation during summer but you don't like the, you know, cakiness or anything like this. And we have a lot of different shades. 613 seems to be my perfect shade. I do have 606, but it's just far too light for me, like you can tell. the difference, right? So 613 is my perfect shade. If you anything like me, that's gonna be your shade as well. Would I wear this? Absolutely yes, for summer, you know, to cover any imperfections or anything like this, so the skin is not bare yet it's covered, you know what I mean? And it has spf30, so it's your, you know, sun cream in one to protect from the sun. The only thing I don't like about it, well, don't like it, you know, it's a big word, but it's very dewy. So if you're someone like me who has oily skin and don't like this dewiness too much, it might not be for you. But if you like the dewy look, and this might be your best friend. So yeah, this is what I got to tell about this. The mascara, absolutely bomb. I love the brush. I'm a sucker for silicone brush rather than your, you know, ordinary brush, and I love that it's like longer and shorter bristles, so love that. Will be definitely wearing it a lot, and it didn't leave any dots so far. Like, I applied a full-on face makeup, by this time would be already dots on my, you know, hoods, because my eyes are so hooded and my skin is oily. It didn't leave any dots, so it means it's gonna be long wear. This is my like test. Lippy, amazing. I've been wearing the shade already like since I filmed first video. I think it should be already on my channel. The blush, super cute. Love everything. Let me know what you think of this tinted moisturizer, if you guys tried this already or it's new to you, as it's new to me because it's just fresh in the launch, I'm pretty sure. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. Should I do more reviews, more tutorials, or what's your vibe in general? And I shall see you very soon. So thanks so much for watching, and bye. Have a fantastic day, guys. Ciao for now.